Have you noticed something strange? PulseChain, one of the fastest, cheapest blockchains out there, still practically invisible on CoinMarketCap? No ranking, no fair metrics, almost like it doesn't exist. But trust me, that's not by accident. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners cut through all the hype, build wealth in crypto using macro strategies and building a conviction-based portfolio. If you want my full strategy for macro investing and building a conviction-based portfolio, make sure you grab my Crypto Wealth Playbook. The link's down below in the description as well. But now, if you're here, this is your first time here, there's something that you should know. I don't just cover tokens, coins, projects that are covered and talked about by a lot of influencers out there and that are really popular. I cover some projects that are misunderstood, underlooked, overlooked, or deliberately just hidden and kept down, suppressed, and you're not hearing about. Today, we're digging into CoinMarketCap and why CoinMarketCap is still hiding PulseChain. What this has to do with Binance and why this should actually encourage you if you're not paying attention yet. First point number one, the Binance connection and why it matters. CoinMarketCap isn't neutral. It's owned by Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world right now. And Binance has no interest, no incentive to highlight projects that it is not profiting from or that it's competing with. You see, PulseChain doesn't pay for exchange listings. It doesn't have VC backing and isn't feeding trading revenue to Binance. History shows that Binance promotes tokens that it's profiting from, that it benefits from, and it sidelines those that it isn't, sidelining those that threatens its dominance. Suppressing visibility equals keeping retail investors in the dark. See, it is there. It is listed on CoinMarketCap, but it is suppressed way down there that you don't see it, you don't know it. And if you're a retail investor and you're coming into crypto, you're not told, you're not taught to really dig down there and understand these things that are going on. You're just told mainly, quite often, right, to look at the top 10 coins that are there, the top 10, top 50, those pay no attention to anything else. Even if something should be up there, but it's pushed way down. So translation is this: if CoinMarketCap is hiding PulseChain, it's because it's not benefiting from it, not because PulseChain has no value. Next, point number two, hex suppression as a blueprint. You see, this isn't the first time. Remember hex? If you've been around, if you haven't, well, there's hex. It happened as well. PulseChain is not the first. This is not the first time this happened. This happened already with Hex. For years, Hex, it sat at the top of DeFi by market cap, but CoinMarketCap refused to list it properly and accurately. They pushed it way down to like page number 3, at least it was, even further than that. Page number 3, with a disclaimer too, saying inaccurately, or I should say, untracked listing. Why? Because Hex didn't have VC money, didn't trade on big exchanges, and wasn't paying for exposure. Yet, Hex still went on to do a 10,000x, even while it was being hidden and suppressed on CoinMarketCap. PulseChain, following in the same path, ignored, gatekept, and quietly growing and gaining strength too. Oh yeah, it is. So when you see a pattern repeated, it's not incompetence, it's intentional. Now, point number 3, what suppression tells you about PulseChain's future? Data censorship is a signal. In crypto, data censorship, it's a signal, not a death sentence. So pay attention to the signals. Projects that are ignored, ridiculed, or suppressed often end up being the ones with the biggest upside. Look at BNB in 2017 and Hex in 2020. Gatekeeping equals opportunity for conviction investors, those that have conviction in what they're holding. You got conviction in what you're holding? That's what we do. That's who we are. That's how we play the game, is we have conviction. I've got conviction in what I'm holding. That's why I'm holding it. I can weather the downturn. I can weather the crashes and just buy more because I've got conviction. I understand the gatekeeping. I understand what's going on. That's what I want you to understand as well. But don't hold something just because I'm telling you to, or I'm telling you that I am. You need to have conviction. That's what conviction is, right? So build your conviction. And if you have conviction, the gatekeeping equals opportunity for those that have the conviction. It also shows that decentralization is a threat to centralization, to centralize crypto. PulseChain offers low fees. It's community driven and no corporate gatekeepers. If PulseChain was irrelevant, CoinMarketCap would just ignore it completely. The fact that they are actually actively hiding it, that's got to tell you something. The fact that they're actively hiding it is showing you that it's an actual threat. So instead of seeing suppression as a negative, see it as proof that you just might be early. Now, if you want to dig deeper into why or how I build my conviction-based portfolios, how I play this whole cycle, the macro strategy, it's all laid out in my Crypto Wealth Playbook. I've also got a free crypto checklist as well. If you have not got that checklist, make sure you get the free crypto checklist. The link's down below in the description. That way you've got a 9-point checklist that you can check off and make sure that what you're going through here as well in crypto. But if you found any value at all in this content, you know what to do. Smash the like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your thoughts are on CoinMarketCap suppressing and actively hiding PulseChain still doing that, and all those core coins too, right? Let me know what your thoughts are. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Click the subscribe button and head on over here to this playlist. I got another playlist right about here that I believe you're going to find some value in these videos here as well. So head on over there. I'll see you there. Bye for now.